Good morning, students. Now, today I am going to start your fifth lesson, that is a probability. It's a very simple lesson. In day to day life, also, we are using this. Just the name is changed. We are using a word possibilities. It is same like it. Okay? Just mathematical concepts. According to that, we have to study. Now, see what is mean by the probability. A probability means a possibility. It is a branch of mathematics that deals with the occurrence of a random event. The value is expressed from 0 to 1. So for the probability there are only two values, 0, 1. The probability has been introduced in math to predict how likely events are to be happen. Means how the events are happen. If I will ask you the question, are you like a tea? What is the answer of the question? There is only two possibilities. Yes or no. If like it is there, it means that yes means a 1 and no means a 0. Means there is no any occurrence. This is the example of our day-to-day life. So we will see the by mathematics how the probability is to be explained. So probability is a measure of the likelihood of event to occur. Many events cannot be predicted with a total certainty. Some event cannot be predicted. Predicted means what? We can't guess the result of that possibilities. We can predict only the chance of event to occur. We can just predict means we can just guess. Okay. So, how likely they are to be happen? Using it, the probability can the range is from 0 to 1, where 0 means the event to be impossible and 1 indicate the certain event. Means for example, see here, when we toss a coin, either we get head or tail. Only two possible outcomes are possible for which event. Event means here what is the event? Toss a coin. So for toss a coin, there are only two possibilities are there, and these possibilities are head and tail. But if we toss two coin in the air at a times, okay, I am tossing a two coins in the air. So there could be a three possibilities of the event to occur, such as both the coins should be head, maybe both are tail, or one may be head and tail. So according to the given event, there are the possibility, and it is called as a probability. Okay, very simple concept. Now see the random experiment. What is meant by random experiment? Is an experiment or a process for which the outcome cannot be predicted with a certainty. The outcome cannot be predicted with a certainty. Means the sample space of a random experiment is the set of all possible outcomes. For example, tossing a coin, throwing a die, picking a card from a set of cards, bearing a number of 1 to 10, 50, picking a card of well shuffled playing card, etc. What is the outcome? Outcome means result of a random experiment is called an outcome. Okay, for example, I am tossing a coin. Tossing a coin. So, which are the random outcome for tossing a coin? This is one of the event. This is one of the experiment. When I am tossing a coin, it may become outcomes. Outcome means result of that event. Outcome means result of that event. So, when I am tossing a coin, it may be occur head or tail. So when a coin is tossed, there are two possible outcomes, head or tail. Is it? When a coin is tossed, there are two possible outcomes, head or tail. Is it? So according to that, the chance of rolling a 4 with a die. Number of ways it can happen. One, there is only one face with a 4 on it. Is it? There is only one face with a 4 on it. Total number of outcomes are 6. There are 6 phases altogether. Equally likely outcome. The chance of rolling a 4 with a die. Number of way it can be happen. Because total number of phases 6, and the 4 it will come at a on one face only, is it? So a given number of outcomes are said to be equally like if none of them occur in a preference to other. For example, if a coin is tossed, possibility of getting head or tail are equal. Maybe head come 50%, maybe tail come. We can't say means 20% of head chances and 80% of tail. That is just a guessing. But actually for outcome head and tail there is a equal chance, equally likely outcome. We can say that this is equal likely outcome, means result may be head or tail. So a die having a number 1 to 6, its different faces is thrown. Check the possibility of getting on the number. Here all the outcomes are equally likely. सो एक्सपेरिमेंट इवेंट जब हम प्ले करते हैं तो उसके आउटकम्स, उसका रिजल्ट है, जितने भी रिजल्ट है मीन्स व्हाट एवर पॉसिबिलिटीज आर देयर, दैट ऑल पॉसिबिलिटीज आर इक्वली लाइकली. So they are called as a equally likely outcomes. So formula for the probability is, the probability formula is defined as the possibility of an event to happen is equal to the ratio of number of favorable outcome upon total number of outcome. Number of favorable outcome and total number of outcome. For example, tossing a coin. So if head is come, then total number of outcomes are 2. For head it is 1 by 2 and for tail also it is 1 by 2. Okay, this we will see in the details afterwards. Now see the example based on this concept. Which concept? What is probability, what is random experiment, what is outcomes and equally likely outcomes. On this basis we will solve the practice set 5.1. How many possibilities are there in each of the following? So see, the first question is what? Vanita knows the following sites in the Maharashtra. She is planning to visit one of them in her summer vacation. How many sites she know in Maharashtra? Ajanta 1, Mahabaleshwar 2nd, Lonar Sarovar 3rd, Tadoba Wildlife Sanctuary 4, Amboli Raigad 5, Mathiran 6 and Anandavan 7. Okay, 8 total. See here, 1 2 3 4 5 6, sorry, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Total number of are 8. Okay, so out of this 8 different site which are in a Maharashtra, so how many possibilities are there for each of the following? So here 8 sites of Maharashtra are given. There are 8 possibilities in a random experiment of visiting a site out of 8 sites in a Maharashtra. Finish. So how many are there? 8. Any day of week means any day of a week is to be selected randomly. So how many days are possible? Obviously there are 7 random possibilities. How many possibilities are there? So there are 7 because there are 7 days in a week and therefore there are 7 possibilities in a random experiment of selecting a day of the week. Next, so select one card from the pack of 52 cards. So there are 52 cards in a pack. So by selecting one card, so how many possibilities are there? Total number of outcome means that number of possibilities. So कितने possibilities है? 52. Because there are how many number of cards? 52. So there are 52 possibilities in a random experiment of selecting a one card from a pack of 52 cards. Now one number from 10 to 20 is written on each card. If we are writing the one number from 10 to 20, select one card randomly. So how many possibilities are there? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So there are total 11 possibilities in a random experiment of selecting one card from the given card. So आया समझ में? Possibility means what is the outcome of a given event. What are the outcomes of a given event given experiment given action. Okay, now see, on this basis again one two questions which are on textbook page number 116 is there. See, in which of the following experiment possibility of expected outcome is more. Now listen, getting a 1 on the upper face when a die is thrown. So getting a 1 on upper face, how many total number of possibilities are there? 6. Out of 6, getting 1 means means 1 by 6. Getting ahead by tossing a coin. So firstly, getting ahead. So there are 6 possibilities of getting a 1 number from a upper face. Is it? So it is 1 by 6. Sorry. Okay. It is 1 by 1 upon 6. And there are 2 possibilities, head or tail, on tossing a coin. So there are 1 by 2, that is 1 by 2. So in the second experiment the possibilities of outcomes are more. क्या हुआ है? फर्स्ट क्या एक्सपेरिमेंट है कि अगर हमने डाई थ्रो किया तो 1 कब आएगा, तो 1 कितने टाइम पे आ सकता है, क्या पॉसिबिलिटी है उसकी. सो नंबर ऑफ, by using this formula we have to calculate, that's why I given a formula. Number of favorable outcome, that is 1 for die, and total number of outcome, that is a 6. And for coin, number of favorable outcome for head 1, and total number of outcomes are 2. So which one is the more possible? That is the second experiment. Okay, so see, question number second, throw a die once. What are the different possibilities of getting a dot on the upper face? There are 6 different possibilities of getting a dot on the upper face. Maybe 1 occur, maybe 2 occur, maybe 3, then 4, maybe 5, and maybe 6. These are the all possibilities when you are throwing a die. When you are throwing a die. So all of you understood what is experiment, what is possibilities means probability, with what is event, outcomes, likely, equally likely outcomes, and random experiment. So all of you, all these points you have to mention your notebook, and your homework is that you have to write two random experiment. In your day-to-day life with outcome. You have to choose any 2 random experiments and their outcome. Okay, understood students? So I am going to stop here. So do study, send me homework.